Cool air moves gently through the trees, and the sound of birds fills the quiet sky. Far away from the noise of cities, life here begins softly, peacefully. The fields shine bright under the golden sun. Farmers work quietly side by side, their hands moving with patience and care. The wind carries the smell of fresh grass and earth.
Every step through the narrow paths feels light and peaceful. The cool breeze touches the skin gently, while birds sing somewhere far away. Some villagers sit outside with warm tea in their hands, talking softly while watching the peaceful roads.
This tea is perfect tonight.
Yes, and look at that sky. It is truly beautiful.
This
As the afternoon grows warmer, people sit beneath the old trees to rest. The breeze moves softly through the leaves.
This looks amazing.
It's so good.
Haha, eat up everyone, there's plenty more.